Hey there, coffee connoisseurs. Are you tired of taking that first blissful sip of your morning brew, only to find it lukewarm? Well, I've got something exciting to share with you today, the Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2. In this video, we're diving deep into its features, performance, ease of use, and whether it's worth the investment. And guess what? I've got an exclusive affiliate link in the description below if you decide this mug is your new coffee companion. Imagine a world where your coffee stays at the perfect temperature from that first glorious sip to the very last drop. With Ember Smart Mug 2, that's a reality. This 10 ounces mug comes with a user-friendly app that lets you control the temperature down to the degree. Whether you're a slow sipper or a busy multitasker, this mug's got your back, maintaining your desired temperature for up to 80 minutes. Yep, you read that right. Now, let's talk performance. The Ember Smart Mug 2 doesn't mess around. It's not just about the sleek design, though it does look pretty snazzy on your desk. It's about delivering on its promise. The mug's heat retention is on point, so no more lukewarm surprises. The touch-sensitive display adds a modern touch, and the improved design means it fits seamlessly into your daily routine. But here's the big question. Is it worth the investment? Well, that depends on how much you love your coffee. If you're someone who craves that perfect, piping hot sip every time, then this mug might just be your new best friend. Yes, it's a bit of a splurge, but for those who prioritize an impeccable coffee experience, it's worth every penny. So, there you have it, folks. The Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2 is more than just a mug. It's a game-changer for your daily coffee ritual. If you're ready to say goodbye to lukewarm disappointment and hello to a consistently heated cup of perfection, check out the link in the description to grab yours. Remember, every sip counts, and with Ember Smart Mug 2, every sip is a delight. Don't forget to hit that affiliate link below if you're ready to take your coffee experience to the next level. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep sipping and smiling.